Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Script. Okay, in this video is lesson 22 function with RT. So now we move to the first puzzle here. What will happen when you press run? Okay, so look to the code here. We have a function named draw square, and it draws square by each side is 100 pixel. Okay, and call it here, and after that it jump backward by 175 pixel, and after that it draw another square. Okay, so the answer for A, nothing, the function is not called, it is called, so this is not answer. B, the artist will draw a single square. No, it draw two square. Draw two square with that overlap. Okay, no overlap. The artist will draw two squares with small gap in between. It has a gap because this code is it jump backward by 175 pixels. Okay, run. Okay, correct. Continue. Okay, here is a function called draw square. Okay, use it to complete this drawing. Okay, this is the, what is that? The glass, right? Sunglasses. Okay. These squares are 75 pixels apart, and if you click run, we draw a single square, right? So what you have to do is draw another one is here and this line. So what you have to do is just move forward by 100, and I think this one 100. Let's try. Okay, that is should be 200 pixel, and after that I call this function again called draw square. Okay, like that. Oh no, this one it should be 175. Okay. Okay, that's complete. Continue. So build a function that will create this star. Okay, this star. Simple, right? Draw a star. You just need the move forward. It is by 25 pixels, and you need another is turn right by 45 pixels, and after that a degree to get edge arm. So okay, move forward, backward. Okay, and then you need to backward by 45 again, and after that you place it or wrap it inside the rib. Okay, this should be 8, right? 8 of that. Okay, let's try. Okay, what is that? Okay, not right, so let's try again. Move forward by that. Okay, jump backward before we turn right. Okay, so let's try again. Oh, that's something wrong here. Move forward by, okay, sorry, for this one is not 45, it's 25. Sorry. For this one I can choose the degree, so this one not degree, it is the side of the star. Okay, so this is completed. Okay, so run again. Okay, continue. Okay, when is drawing 3 star harder than draw 4? Okay, when you also have to jump over the moon. Okay, this moon, draw only those 3 stars to finish this puzzle. This function is already for you. Okay, so what you have to do is call it. For the first one, it is called for you. What you have to do is jump from the star across the moon. Okay, you have to use jump to, and it should be 20 pixel. Okay, 200 pixel. After that you call draw star again, and need another one is jump to again. For this time it should be 100 and call this function again. Okay, that's right, complete. We go to this. Okay, draw all of this window individually would be a pain. Okay, try solving this puzzle by creating draw window, then call 85 times. Watch out for the door. Okay, each window made up for 25 pixels. So you have to create another function that called draw window. Okay, in order to draw the window, this is tip for you guys here. Okay, so what you have to do is you use the move forward by 25 pixels. Okay, 25 pixels, and turn to the right. Turn to right by, it should be 90 degrees. Okay, so after that we repeat it in the loop to create the single square here. But the problem is not a single square, we have another 3 square. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to turn your artist to right again by 90 degrees again and wrap that inside the loop again. Okay, now what can you see? Let's call the function first. Okay, now we draw this window, and what we have to do next is call this function and draw another window. Okay, so in order to draw another window, you have to move your artist forward. So you have to use jump forward by 100 pixels, and after that call the function and that run. Okay, and after that you just copy and paste that. Okay, we almost done. We remain only 2 more. For these 2 more, you have to turn your artist to the right by 90 degrees and move forward down here 150 pixels, and after that you have to turn the artist to the left by 90 degrees again, and after that you call this draw window. Let's try. Okay, sorry, like that. Draw this window, this one. Okay, something went wrong here. Okay, this one. What's something wrong? 100. Okay, this one I forgot to use this code. Sorry, this line we not use move forward, we use jump forward. Jump forward by 150 pixels, like that, and that. Okay, this is the right one. And another one is you can use jump to again, but this one is not jump forward, jump backward by 20 to 200 pixels and copy this draw window here. Okay, continue. Okay, another one. Function easy. Okay, we are going to build up to something fancy. Start by creating a function for this square. Okay, so draw square, simple, right? So you just need to move forward. It should be moved forward by, I think this should be 50. Okay, and after that it should be turned to the left by 90 degrees. And after that, wrap it inside the for loop. That's all. Okay. So zombie get easy. Okay, call a draw square function from this inside a draw a line a square function to make this even easier. Okay, the square are 50 pixels apart. So we have a function here, and after that you have to call the function inside another function, this one. But we have 1, 2, 3, so we have to use a repeat loop here for 3 times to draw. If we use like that, the square will be overlapped. Okay, so what you have to do is each square draw, you have to use jump forward 5. Okay, this one should be 100. Okay. No, I put the wrong place. Put here. Okay. Complete. Continue. Okay. Add one more function that creates a stack of stages square using draw line square function. Draw line. Okay. This one is draw square. So what you have to do is you have to call the function first. Draw a line square like that. Okay. After that, you have to call this one again. But before you call that one again, you have to turn your artist to 100. I think it should be 180 pixels. Let's try. Okay, like that, and after that I call this again. Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's go. Okay, use everything you have learned so far to create this design. Okay, that is like a little bit busy, right? Okay, zombie. Okay, what you have to do for this? It's like similar to the practice 8, the puzzle 8. What you have to do for the first is create a function. What function? For the first, I will create a function to draw a single square, right? Single square is we just use the loop for 10. Okay, now I drag it near here. And after that, you have the action of move forward by. For this, it should be 50 pixels and turn to left by 90 degrees. Okay, so when you call the function, okay, I forgot to name this function. I call it draw square. Okay, so function draw square, it draws a single square. Okay, and you have to create another function is the draw line square, right? Name whatever you want. Name draw line square. Okay, like that. And after that, you call the function. Call function in a function like that. And each draw, you have to jump forward by 100 pixels like that. So you have to draw three squares. So you have to use the loop for 3 times like that. And delete this, and you use this function. It will be draw 3. Okay, so what you have to do next, if you have to draw this one below, the square below, so I have used another function, create a function to do that both. Okay, I call it I name it like draw both line. Okay, draw both line. It means that I draw up line and below. Okay, so that is okay, right? So for the first, I call the I call this draw in line. Okay, draw line square, and after that I turn it to right by 90 degree. Okay, not 90 degree. It should be 180 pixel. Okay, I type it 180 pixel. Okay, like that. Okay, and I call it again. Call line of code again. It means that I draw this first, and after that turn to the 180 and draw the below square. Reset and call this function. Draw both lines. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now we have the code is completed to draw. And what you have to do next is call it and use it. You mean to use it in here. This. So it's like easy, right? So you just use a loop that draw for another for 2 times, right? So before you draw, you have to turn your artist to the left, this one, by 90 degree, like that. Sorry, it's the wrong place here. Okay. And after that, you have to jump down below. You have to jump forward by 100 pixels, and after that you turn left, turn your artist to the left. Okay. So action, turn left by 109 degree, and after that you have to use draw both line again. Okay, sorry, I drag it the wrong place. Okay, draw both line. Okay, let's run. Okay, that's cool. I hope you all understand it, because one loop here, draw up and below and up there square. I hope you understand it. Okay, this I drag it. Okay, what is problem with the mouse here? Okay, call function inside the another function. Okay, nested function. So that's all for this. I hope you all understand it. If you have misunderstanding, comment below and let me know. Continue. Okay, that is challenge puzzle here. Okay, create this image using the limited block provided. Each triangle has 50 pixels, and to draw a demon you will need alternate between using turning 60 degree and 120 degree. Okay, so for this I will create another function or not, it's up to you. For me, I create a function, call it draw function. No, draw demon. Okay, draw demon. So first you have to use a move forward, okay, by 50 pixels, and after that to turn right. Okay, turn right by, for this time we use the 120 degree. Okay, and use it inside the repeat for only 3 times here, because the demon it has only 3 sides. Okay, and call the function. Let's see. Okay, we can draw a single one, but what we have to do is to draw all of these. So we draw for the first line, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in order to draw that 4 diamond here, you have to use loop. Okay, use loop for 4 times and drop this to inside the for loop, and after that each draw you have to move forward by or jump forward by, I think it should be 50 pixel too. Okay, let me try. That's cool. You can draw for the first, and after that you have to use jump or turn right again to draw down here. You have to jump, no, turn. You have to turn right. Turn right by, I think this one should be 60 degree down here to make the artist go here. And after that, you have to wrap it inside another loop. Call it I call it for 2 times. Okay, now we can draw for the 2 sides. Okay, so next is quite easy, right? You have to use another loop. This loop is called for 2 times too. Okay, but before we draw it, you have to turn right by 60 degree too. Okay, so let's try. Reset and run. Okay, that's cool. I hope you all understand about this. It is the many loop inside here, nested loop, right? So I use only 12 block of 14 block. Okay, here. Continue. But if you have another solution that easier or less code than my code, it's up to you. It's okay. Okay. This time use line of 8 hexagon with 25 sides. Okay. To make the hexagon, repeat side 6 times, turning 60 degree. Okay. Jump 25 pixels between each hexagon. To draw a demon, you will need to alternate between turning 60 degree and 120 degree. So this time we have to separate a function. Okay, for the first is I name it draw hexagon. Draw hexagon like that. And after that you have to use a move forward. We move forward by 25 pixels too. And turning right, okay, turning right by 60 degree. Okay, so this you can draw a single hexagon. Okay, sorry, forgot to use loop here. We use loop for 8 times. 8 times or 6 times? Okay, 6 times, not 6 times. Okay, we can draw a single one. So another function, if you have to draw a line of hexagon here, so you create another function, call it the name whatever you want. So I name it draw line hexagon. Okay, like that. And after that, I use the hexagon function inside that, but we have to draw 8 hexagons, so you have to use loop here for 8 times. Okay, 8 times. Okay. So the space or the distance between each hexagon should be 50. So you just need to use the every draw a single hexagon. It's a problem with the mouse. Okay, you have to jump forward by 50 degree. Okay, so let's try to use this function. Okay, sorry, it should be only 25, not 50. Okay. Okay, that's cool. So that's all for this, I think. What you have to do is just use the function. After the function, you have to turn right, okay? turn right, you can turn by 60 degree. And after that, call that function again to draw the second line. Okay, let's try. Okay, in order to draw this line, okay, these two lines of the hexagon, you no need to use again and again. You can use the it inside the loop. But before that, you have to use the turn to right by 120. So this guy, the artist, will be turned here and wrap it inside the loop for 2 times only. Okay, let's try. Okay, completed. Congratulations. Okay, puzzle 12. What will happen when you press run button? Okay, let's read this code. It will draw the polygon, and after that, the polygon is here. It will be draw square, the polygon. Okay, and after that, it will be turn right by 90 degree. It will be called for 4 times. So this will be draw 4 square. Okay, on the top one of another. Okay, so the answer, I think it should be B here. Okay, so what B? D? The artist will draw 4 square in a window pattern. Okay, this one. For the same on the top one of another. Okay, B. Okay, that's correct. Continue. Okay, inspiration. What you have learned to make whatever you want. Okay. Can you make something like the pinwheel? Okay, just drag it out here and start coding by your own. Okay, so for now I go to the repeat loop. Okay, like that. I use it for 8 times, and I use the jump tool. Okay, this one we rarely use this. Okay, 200. This one also, the 200 go to the center of the screen. Okay, and call the function draw a line. No, draw a line. Draw a line of hexagon here. Okay, and after that I turn right by 45 degree for this time. Okay, let me try. Run. Okay. This is the pinwheel, right? So you can add another like the brush. You can set the color or set the random color here. Okay, and you can set the width to draw. Let's try. Okay, like that. If you want it to draw has the different color, you can drop it here, like that. Okay. Okay, finish it. Okay, we have the another challenge here for the bonus level. We go to complete it. Okay, once you define a function, you can call it over and over again, okay? Whenever and wherever you want. Try this code to see how it works. Then change it to make your own impressive design. So when you press run, okay, you can see this. So for me, I just add another one is I use that. I go to jump to bottom This is bottom left. Oh, it's already bottom left, right? This is top left, top right, bottom right, bottom left. Okay, we just add another code. This function already, it already go here. So just reset and run. Okay, finish it. We go to this puzzle. Okay, not puzzle, the challenge. Okay, not only you can jump some preset location like this corner of canvas, you can also use jump to command to get to absolutely any spot like you like. Okay, try this code and see it work. Then make program by your own. Run. Okay, this way that I mean that you can change this by it should be go to wherever you want. But if you should here, you should put it like not 300, like 100, okay, and 100, 100, it should be here, okay. And this one you should, oh, you want it to be 100, no, 250, okay, to make that is not overlap each other. Okay, you can change whatever you want here. The location, this one you want to be right, you just set this one to 200. Okay, okay, you want down here, you can set it to 400. Okay, like that, whatever you want. Okay, just finish it. So that's all for the lesson 22, function with artist. Okay, if you learned something from this video, don't forget subscribe and hit the bell icon. I hope you all guys understand and or misunderstand some puzzle. Please comment down below and let me know. And see you in the next video.